Good morning to all. Myself, Professor Nidhi Joshi, and I am discussing about the subject image processing and computer vision. And the subject code for this subject is CS803. In that, I will be going to discuss about the third unit, that is the region analysis. In my session, I will be discussing first what is a region analysis. Before discussing the region analysis, first I will discuss what is a region analysis, what is a region based segmentation edge, and the automatic thresholding. So let us start with what is a region. A region in an image is a group of connected pixels with the similar properties, so that we can easily identify like what object is present in the image. So the region are important region are important for the interpretation of image because they may correspond to object in a scene. An image may contain several objects, and in turn each object may contain several region corresponding to different part of the image. So to understand this point, basically we'll consider one simple example. Here we are having an image. Like the image, basically it is showing some toys, some objects, like one object, second object, third object, fourth object, fifth object. Some object is there, or precisely if I'm talking about this, like some objects are kept at some places. So the image may contain several objects, the image may contain the several object, and each object may contain the several region corresponding to the different part of the object. So each object contains certain region. ये कुछ इसका region है, ये इस कुछ का object का कुछ region है, this region. तो हम लोगों ने जैसे ही डिस्कस किया था, बेसिकली रीजन ये स्पेसिफाई करता है ऑफ द कनेक्टेड पिक्सल है जिनकी सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टीज है. सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टी हो सकती है, शेप हो सकता है, साइज हो सकता है, कलर हो सकता है. यहाँ पे शेप भी सेम है, कलर हो सकता है. तो हम लोग ये बोल सकते हैं बेसिकली दिस बिलोंग्स टू वन रीजन, दिस बिलोंग्स टू अदर रीजन, थर्ड रीजन, फोर्थ रीजन. तो जिसके कारण से हम लोग वी कैन ईजिली आइडेंटिफाई लाइक व्हाट object is present in the image. For an image to be interpreted accurately, it must be partitioned into region that corresponds to object or parts of an object. If we have to clearly interpret what all objects which are there in the image, so the first requirement is that we have to partitions into the different region. यहाँ पे हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि वी आर हैविंग द 5 ऑब्जेक्ट. कैसे हम लोगों ने आइडेंटिफाई किया ये 5 ऑब्जेक्ट? हम लोगों ने बिकॉज वी हैव पार्टीशन इनटू द डिफरेंट रीजन. So however, due to the segmentation error, the correspondence between the region and the object will not be perfect, and object specific knowledge must be used in the later stages for the image interpretation. Like segmentation may like precisely we are not getting that object. Segmentation is nothing like small segments में हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं. So हमें ऐसा है कि हाँ कुछ अप्रोच या कुछ एल्गोरिथम दैट वी आर हैव टू यूज़ ताकि हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट्स को आइडेंटिफाई कर सके. सो पार्टीशन कर सके इमेज में उसको डिफरेंट रीजन में. सो देयर आर 2 अप्रोच टू पार्टीशन एन इमेज इनटू रीजन. द फर्स्ट अप्रोच दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ इज़ द रीजन बेस्ड सेगमेंटेशन. सेकेंड हमारी अप्रोच रहती है बाउंड्री बेस्ड बाउंड्री एस्टिमेशन यूजिंग द एज डिटेक्शन. So let us see what is the region based segmentation. All the pixels that corresponds to the objects are grouped together and are marked to indicate that they belongs to one region. Yes, I was discussing about the region based segmentation. All the pixels that corresponds to the object are grouped together and are marked to indicate that they belongs to one region. जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स रहते हैं, पिक्सल्स रहते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स में, दे आर ऑफ द सिमिलर टाइप, उसको हम लोग ग्रुप करते हैं एंड वी आर स्पेसिफाइंग इट एज द वन रीजन. Basically, this process is called the segmentation. The pixels are assigned to region using some criteria that distinguish them from the rest of the image. हम लोग को उसको पिक्सल्स को हम लोग कैसे बोल रहे हैं कि दे बिलोंग्स टू द वन रीजन. कुछ उसका क्राइटेरिया रहता है, शेप, कलर, किस कलर रेंज के हैं, इंटेंसिटी भी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं. तो हियर वी आर यूजिंग सर्टन क्राइटेरिया. क्राइटेरिया कैन बी ऑफ द शेप, इंटेंसिटी, ब्राइटनेस, कैन बी anything. So in the region base, like two important principles in the segmentation are the value similarity and the second one is the spatial proximity. So the two pixels that may be assigned to the same region if they have the similar intensity characteristics. Like in the previous slide I was discussing about the criteria. So हम लोग किस क्राइटेरिया के बेसिस पे हम लोग पिक्सल्स को बोल सकते हैं दे बिलोंग्स टू द वन रीजन. फर्स्ट वन इज द वैल्यू सिमिलैरिटी एंड द सेकेंड वन इज अ स्पेशल प्रॉक्सिमिटी. द टू पिक्सल that may be assigned to the same region if they have the similar intensity characteristics or if they are close to one another. So here what we are doing, the principle of the similarity and the proximities come from the assumption that the point on the same object will project to the pixel in the image that are especially close and have the similar gray value. हम लोग पिक्सल के लिए लाइक दे बिलोंग्स टू द वन रीजन, उसके लिए हम लोगों ने दो क्राइटेरिया यूज़ किया है. फर्स्ट वन इज़ द वैल्यू सिमिलैरिटी. हम लोग सेफ दे आर हैविंग द सेम इंटेंसिटी देन वी कैन से दैट द पिक्सल बिलोंग्स टू द वन रीजन. और सेकेंड हम लोग स्पेशल प्रॉक्सिमिटी में क्या बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ, if they are the especially close if they are near to each other and they are having the similar gray value, then we can say that is this principle is known as a special proximity and the pixel that belongs to the one region. Excuse me. Second, one more concept is there, that is the edge. The segmentation can also be done by finding the pixel that lie on the region boundaries. Region के बारे में बात करें, like the edge, that is if I am talking about, like if I am considering this image, that is the edge. Segmentation division can be done by finding the pixel that lie on the region boundary. Region boundary, if this is the region boundary, is region like this the pointer, the mouse pointer that I am showing, इन दोनों इमेज में पिक्सल में कुछ चेंजेस है. सो दिस एट द रीजन बाउंड्री कैन ऑल्सो बी डन. और यहाँ पे जो पिक्सल्स रहते हैं दैट वी आर कॉलिंग दिस पिक्सल्स आर कॉल्ड द एज एंड कैन बी फाउंड बाय लुकिंग एट द नेबरिंग पिक्सल. कैसे पॉसिबल होता है, हम लोग ये जो नेबरिंग पिक्सल रहता है, इसका जो पड़ोस वाला पिक्सल है, नेबर पिक्सल है, उसको हम लोग देखते हैं, उन दोनों को कंपेयर करते हैं एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू check. Since each pixel are on the boundary and the region on either side of the boundary may have the different gray values, दोनों की वैल्यू चेंज होगी, तो then we can say that easily that belongs to the different region. A region boundaries may be found by measuring the difference between the neighboring pixel. So most edge detector use only the intensity characteristics. हम लोग कैसे बोल सकते हैं ये दोनों पिक्सल अलग अलग है, तो उसके लिए हम लोग इंटेंसिटी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स यूज़ करते हैं कि क्या ये बोल सकते हैं कि दोनों की इंटेंसिटी वैल्यू डिफर है, so that belongs to the different region. Most edge detector use only the intensity characteristics as the basis for the edge detection, although derived characteristics such as texture and motion may also be used. But generally we are using the intensity characteristics. In an ideal image, a region will be bounded by a close counter. In principle, the region segmentation we are using pixels को हम लोग कैसे उसमें पार्टीशन कर रहे हैं, तो फॉर दिस रीजन वी आर यूजिंग द टू अप्रोच. फर्स्ट वन इज द रीजन सेगमेंटेशन, सेकेंड वन इज द एज डिटेक्शन. Like both of the techniques but will be yielding the identical result. So edge is nothing like the close pixel हम लोग चेक करते हैं, बाउंड्रीज के यहाँ पे हम लोग पिक्सल चेक करते हैं. edge the close counters may be obtained from region using the boundary following algorithm So likewise the region may be obtained from the edges using a region filling algorithm. But like हम लोग प्रिसाइजली यदि यूज़ करते हैं दोनों अप्रोच में से, तो आई विल गो फॉर द एज estimation, boundary estimation using the edge detection. So here one more point is there. Due to noise and other factor, neither region segmentation nor edge detection provide the perfect information, the precise or the accurate information that we are looking. So next we are having the region segmentation. Region segmentation, what is a region segmentation? Like if we are having a set of the image pixel I and the homogeneity predicate is denoted by this, we are find a partition S of the image I into a set of n region. So the homogeneity मतलब like हम लोग ये बात कर रहे कि दोनों पिक्सल homogeneous है या नहीं. The homogeneity predicate is denoted by this of the image have the property that any region satisfy the predicate. So for all the images, for all the pixel in the image, any two adjacent pixel हम लोग दोनों पिक्सल को कंपेयर करके हम लोग मर्ज करते हैं, चेक करते हैं कि दे आर हैविंग द सेम होमोजेनिटी, तो उसको मर्ज कर देते, अदरवाइज विल लीव. सो हियर दैट टाइम if we have to merge, if the merge condition satisfy होती है तो mathematically it is represented by this, or if it's not going to satisfy तो this condition will, it is represented mathematically like this. The homogeneity predicate defines the conformity of all the point in the region to the region model. So the process of converting the gray value image in a binary image is a simple form of segmentation where the image is partitioned into two sets. The algorithm for thresholding to obtain binary image can be generalized to more than two level. So the next topic that I will be discussing about the automatic thresholding. To make segmentation more robust, the threshold should be automatically selected by the system. The intensity value that I'm talking about, that should be automatically selected by the system. So here in this case, we require the knowledge about the object in the scenes, like what are all the objects which are there in the scene, in the image, उसका application क्या है, the environment should be used in the segmentation algorithm in a form more general than a fixed threshold value. So such knowledge that include the intensity characteristics of the object, what is the size of the object, what is the fraction of the image that is occupied by the object, number of different type of the object appearing in an image. So a thresholding in scheme that uses such knowledge and selects a proper threshold value for each image without the human intervention, human का कोई involvement नहीं रहता है, that is called as that we are knowing as the automatic thresholding scheme. Automatic thresholding analyze the gray value distribution in an image. First of all, what it will be doing, it will be going to analyze the gray value distribution in an image, usually by using the histogram, जिससे कि gray value का distribution समझ में आ जाएगा image में, and uses this knowledge about the applications to select the most appropriate method. इसमें भी like it will be going to use the mode method, p-tail method, like different methods रहती है that will be going to used. So that's all is there in the today's session. We had discussed about the region analysis, edge, in order to detect in the region based analysis, if we have to partition the image, for that we are using the two algorithm. First one is the region based segmentation, and second one is the boundary detection using the edge segmentation. the boundary estimation using the edge detection. After that we had discussed about what is an edge region segmentation and what is an automatic thresholding. In my next class I will be discussing about will be continuing with the topic automatic thresholding and the approaches or the techniques that we are going to use in the automatic thresholding. That's all is there in the today's session. In case if you are having any question related to this topic, let me know. Thank you and have a good day.